Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Mortem Rex. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mortem Rex, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, then it's going to go up here. Next I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve and come up. Next, I'm going to make a few little curved lines underneath. And then I'll make a small little pupil right inside of there. For the eyebrow, I'll make a couple of little pointy lines like this. And then a little line down. Right here, I'll make a couple pointy lines for the other side of the eyes. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line over. I'll make a couple little points on here. And then I'll make this line down. I'll make this line down, and then up and back here. Then I'll make this line down. Make this line down and in. This line down and then up. And then we'll curve it up for the jaw. I'm going to bring this line down for the back of the mouth. And then I'll add a couple little curved lines in here. Now for the teeth, we're just going to make a bunch of sharp, kind of pointed, jagged teeth in here. They go all the way to the back. And we'll do the same thing up here. I'll make a line that's going to curve down. It's going to come down and back here. And then we'll make a line that curves up for the tongue. Now for the nose, I'm just going to make a little skinny oval shape with a line that comes down. I like to add a little curved line around it. Next, let's make the back of the head. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down, and then out and down for the back of the head. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up here for the tail. Then I'm going to make this kind of pointed and then bring it down back towards the body. Starting here, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines for the neck. Then I want to bring this line down and then up here. I'm going to curve this line down. And then let's begin with the arm. I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down at an angle. Then we're going to come this way and down. I'm going to make this come up to a point, and then another one that goes down and up to a point. I'm going to bring this over and then up. Same thing here. I'm going to come down and then up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then in. I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to a point and then back. Another one down to a point and then back here. I'm going to bring this up and then in for the back of the leg. Then let's go ahead and curve this up. Now let's make the other leg. We'll do pretty much that same thing. We're just going to come down and then in. Make this one come down at an angle. Down to a point and back, and then another one down to a point and then back. I'm going to bring this up And then I'm going to make a little point for like the claw, and we'll bring this up. I'm going to make this down, come to a point up, come to a point up, and then bring this up here. Now we got to add the spikes. Now the spikes on our Mortem Rex are going to start up here. They're going to be kind of jagged and pointy. I'm going to make some smaller ones on here first. So we're just going to kind of make these be kind of like the first layer of spikes. You want to make them look a little bit different. We're going to do just different points and everything right along here. And they'll stop right about there. And then one thing we forgot to do was connect the tail to back here. And I'm going to add a little curved line so it kind of looks like the tail is kind of curving. Next, let's go ahead and make some bigger spikes on here. These next rows of spikes are going to be much bigger. Once again, very jagged and everything. And then we're going to put some smaller ones right behind here to really kind of fill it up. Then I'm going to put some smaller little spikes all around here just to kind of add a little bit of extra detail and things on here. So we'll just kind of put these all around. Now here's our basic shape of our Mortem Rex. Let's come in here and add some different details. Let's start with the claws. I'll bring some little curves right across here on all the claws, even the toes. Then I'll make some extra little curves right on here. Next, I'm going to bring a little broken line right around here. And a little broken line here. We'll do a little kind of oval shape here. And a little curve back here. I'll make some broken lines that come right around the mouth. And right around the jaw too. I'll add some extra little lines coming up here by the neck. And a few little curve lines right here by the legs and everything. I'll make some little points right around here. And make some extra little lines coming up. I'll make some little broken lines coming right around here for some ribs. And then I like to make some little lines kind of coming across the arms and then the legs of the T-Rex, just to kind of create some detail in different things. Even along the tail too. And along the body. Then I'm just going to make some extra little lines onto the spikes and stuff here. Just kind of create some more detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Mortem Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.